How's it going, everyone in the YouTube world? Mark here from TST Industries, back in the garage with another installation video. Today we have our 2022 Honda Grom here. Today we're going to cover a pretty cool little aesthetic product that we have. This has really no function other than making your bike pop a little bit more. And as you can see on this bike, on this headlight I should say, we have some accent rings, and that's what we're going to be installing today. We have developed this accent ring kit for your headlight, and it really does just bring some extra color, some extra pop and pizzazz to the front of your Honda Grom. As you can see here, the stock bolts are kind of just plain, and there's nothing wrong with that, but we just want to make it a little bit more flashy. So with this kit, you will receive 4 colored accent rings of your choosing. We have gold, black, blue, silver, and red. On this particular unit, we have the red kit. And if you've visited our website before or have seen some of our other products, these are the same rings that we use in our mirror delete plug kits and in our license plate mounting hardware kits. So if you're on our website, if you haven't bought those pieces already, you can get everything all at once and all of the colors will match. It'll be really slick and just bring some extra color to this wonderful looking 3rd generation Honda Grom. This is a pretty simple installation process. You will need a 5mm T-handle and you will need a 3mm one as well. This kit is made of 4 accent rings of your choosing and 4 stainless steel countersunk bolts. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right in and finish this install. All right, so to begin this install, you obviously do need to remove the 4 original bolts holding the front fascia of the headlight onto the bike. So it's pretty simple. You're gonna take your 5mm tool and just twist them off. It's pretty self-explanatory. I know, I'm sure I'm gonna receive some comments like, do you really need an install video for this? Sure. Doesn't bother me. I enjoy doing this stuff. You will notice that these bolts are actually longer than the threaded engagement portions. So for example, I just unscrewed this one, but it's still in there. You're just gonna pull it out. There is a little bit of a friction fastener inside of the rear portion of the headlight. So you're gonna unscrew. It's not gonna unthread all the way. Once you get to a point, you can just pull it out and you should be good to go. Now I will say that removing all 4 of these at once can pose a threat if you are not careful. Technically, you can drop the entire front fascia at this point. So just be careful, either do it one at a time, or if you're gonna do it all 4 at once, just be careful, be aware of what you're doing. Don't apply a lot of pressure because this front portion can pop off. Now that the OEM bolts are off, you can take one set of the hardware. You're gonna take one of the accent rings and one of the countersunk bolts. And again, you're gonna push it into the accepting feature and then you will begin tightening it down. You don't wanna apply a lot of pressure on it, just enough to keep it preloaded and secure. You just wanna repeat that 3 times over. And voila, this installation is now complete. And as you can see on this black headlight, the red accent kit looks phenomenal on it. Whether you get the gold, silver, blue, or even the black kit, I think it does bring a little bit of color to the front of your bike. And as I mentioned, if you have the mirror delete plug kit, if you have the levers, and if you have the license plate mounting hardware, all of it matches perfectly. So check these out. Be sure to check out our website, tstindustries.com, to see these products and all of the other ones available for the 3rd generation 2022 Honda Grom and any other bike you may have. For any questions, comments, concerns, leave them in the comments below. Check us out on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and obviously don't forget to subscribe and turn that notification bell on. This is Mark from TST Industries. Catch you guys next time.